I am Dr. Surendra Kumar, Professor, School of Management, Babu Banarsidass University, Lucknow. Today we are discussing in the terms of entrepreneurship, basically in the term of small business evaluation. Basically, evaluation is basically a controlling measures, we can say, controlling. In the controlling measures, whatever the process is to be there, like control or whatever, we have to like evaluate, control, measures. These are the various synonyms like system in terms of entrepreneurship development. So whenever we are discussing about evaluation, we just check down as an entrepreneur whether our product is stabilized or we are getting success from zero to somewhere place to be there, maybe. So in the evaluation process, why we are going for this system? Because evaluation helps us to identify problems and their causes as the system goes on. And this is to be measured at every step of the life is to be. If we have a system, product life cycle, in your entrepreneurship life cycles, whatever. From product identification, then feasibility state, then the controlling measures, there are a lot of approaches to be carried out in the development of entrepreneurship development. So this is the help. Now, with this evaluation part, first we have to identify problems and their causes. Second, whatever. Suggest possible solutions. Possible solution, whatever. Because we are small entrepreneurs and we have a very less resources to be there to solve our problem. So if we are considering ourselves, our unit, our business, our small business in the terms of evaluation, we have to look after how this problem can be solved. Then raise questions about assumption and strategy. Raise questions because presently in the small entrepreneur, then our support starts, then our surroundings like public or whatever. 3 person will be, 3 units to be involved. So we should get down the answer from where, this place or that place. Because अपना क्वेश्चन तो हम खुद पूछ रहे हैं और अपना ही जवाब दे रहे हैं तो शायद हम उसका आंसर नहीं निकाल पाएंगे. If we prepare a tea and we just sip it and say it's a nice or not, we cannot get down the answer to be there. Now we have to serve our prepared tea to our supporters, our society. Then we ask whether you feel comfortable, whether any lacunas to be there, if you need anything is to be there, just to suggest on. Because गलती निकालना आसान होता है, उसका solution देना बहुत difficult होता है. तो हमें यहाँ पे चाहिए solutions. So for getting the solutions, we raise questions about assumptions and the strategies to be there. Then push you to reflect on where you are going and how we are going. Simple. Where we are going and how we are going. How we are going, like that. कैसे और कहाँ. And if we are going somewhere is to be there, so when we will get in there. That means if our mission is product life cycle, if type of things to be there, so if we are starter business here, we are here only, maybe exemption. If we are here, so definitely we have to just check down on this point when we will reach. Whether we will reach or not, this is the question. That is a different part of game. A lot of studies are already carried out, but here we have to check down. But it's to be necessary कि how we will reach. आपको याद होगा जब कारगिल की लड़ाई हुई थी तो जो दुश्मन थे शायद ऊपर थे, जैसा मैंने टीवीज पे देखा, आइडिया बिकॉज आई एम नॉट आर्मी बैकग्राउंड स्टूडेंट. तो हम लोग शायद नीचे थे, धीमे धीमे सब अब कैसे जाना है, कब जाना है, नाउ दे हैव टू डिसाइड द स्ट्रेटजिकल पार्ट इज टू बी एंड देन आफ्टर दे विल द स्टेप्स टू बी. So the same thing is to be whenever we are anything regarding the discussion about the strategy, so we should come down like an army front when this condition will be achieved, when we will reach down the things. And Then we have to provide information and insight. Provide information and insight. Both things are different ways. हम क्या हैं और हमारे पास क्या है. एक होता है लोगों को दिखाना, एक होता है क्या अपने लिए. अवध के लिए बहुत फेमस चीजें हैं, जैसे मेरे कि यहां पर लोग जब बाहर निकलते थे तो एक में बादाम रखते थे और एक में मूंगफली रखते थे, पीनट्स. और जब सामने वाला कोई आता था उसके सामने एक पॉकेट से निकाल के बादाम कहते थे, सर जस्ट टेक अप, जस्ट शो डाउन कि आई एम ईटिंग बादाम और आप वेदर आई एम ईटिंग पीनट्स इट्स नॉट बी प्रॉब्लम टू देम, बट I will show down. Same thing here. Whether my company is to be like that, whatever the position is to be there, what other express, what other things, these are different terms. But we have to show down that we have a large vision, we have a standard mission objective was there. So we have to provide the information with the insight to what we are currently on what we are showing and how we achieve the successes to be there. Because then only the clear evaluation part can be carried out. Then encourage you to act on the informations which already discussed progress with the. Then increase the likelihood that you will take a positive development differences. Positive development differences. If we are preparing tea packets and consumer initially they accepted, later on they are not accepted, it's a positive or negative sign. For the entrepreneur it may be negative, it may be positive is to be there. In the negative aspect, your product is not accepted by the consumers, but the positive point may be if there's some other competitor also in the market, you have to change your strategy because you are the entrepreneur and you have invested the amount in a very early stage was there and you have to spend. So market need, there is some product diversification is to be there. Maybe downline or maybe sideline is there. These are various marketing strategies to be there. You will discuss in the part of the marketing management. But here, this give a new information. Now you are in the position. Now you have to just change your track is to be. So in evaluation part, there is a two words we are using in the evaluation, like monitoring and evaluation. Monitoring, we are just, so we can just say down evaluation maybe in monitoring term and the evaluation part. If we have to look after the part of the monitoring is, I am a monitor, I am an entrepreneur, I have to look after the things, I am the ultimate boss of that complete vision. So we have to check down our indicators. Efficiency, effectiveness and impact, both. All the three words which we are using, efficiency, effectiveness and impact, that we have to look after on the basis of monitoring. What we are, that we know, but what other aspect, they know. So you have to get down the clear picture of your image about a consumer, in front of the consumer, you just be clarifying things. Then setting of system to collect information relating to indicators. That means we have to just on the market survey we can say, or general survey or journal feedback is to be there. Feedback. So if you have to go in the market, if you other nowadays also a lot of time you have seen the newspapers or you have to go when you have to visit any places to be there. There are certain sample provided like namkeens, teas, shampoos. Why? They just want what you feel about this product, you just give down answer. If I am not interested in that product, what I do, I will take up the meat packet, open, just eat it. Okay, sir, very good. But kahin na kahin, mere man mein ye aayega, if I use that, or really that thing is to be nice, so I will just check out the packet is to be there, which company is to be there, which brand is to be there. Or later on, if I like that taste, I will just go to the market and just ask, sir, give me that package to be there. Maybe possible this thing happen only 20%, but marketing is carried out around 11.5% to be there. Whatever the studies generally is accepted. Because whatever we are using, whatever the things that already we have already given on my one lecture is to be there. The whole capital management, whole fund management, whole financial management, around 40 to 50% part is to be taken, more than 40-50% part is to be taken in the front of the marketing expertise to be there. Then only you will get on the revenues. So, with whatever the information we are getting, because for the evaluation purpose, we have their efficiency, impact and efficiency. Then we have to get the informations. Then from that information, we are using that information, our day-to-day management practices to be there. Or whatever in day-to-day management practices, in day-to-day small business, because business is to be started from the product ideation, then feasibility analysis, then success or achievement is to be there, then stabilization is to be there. That type of stage can be carried out. In general, we are not telling anything about the specific things, this is a general ways to be. So, we are using this information in the day-to-day management. If anything, last problem can be come down in the last day, it will be should not be exist in today's scenario. Then, this is basically whatever the monitoring, whatever the evaluation part, basically this is the internal analysis. You have to check down by your institute there, by your project, by your manager, by your supervisors. And after getting this evaluation, a small part, that is the monitoring part, then you have to just check down how the evaluation is to be carried out. Because evaluation include looking at what the project or organization intended to achieve. What difference did it want to make it? And what impact did it want to make? This is the evaluation. If we want, like tea, we want to establish our brand as a natural enhancer, natural stamina booster, natural something. Whether we achieve the success or not, this is the figure. So in this, whatever the strategy we have to follow, so in this particular part of evaluation, we have to take up certain things. Because pre-study has been already carried out by the means of the monitoring, then we have to take care according to this. First, self-evaluation. Self-evaluation. This involves an organization on project holding a mirror to itself and assessing how it is doing. What I am doing, just like a mirror image is to be come down, and really, because this is self-assessment, you just check down what is to be, what you want to achieve, what you are achieving, or what you will be achieved. Then participatory evaluation. Evaluation. I already told you there are three types. Structure is to be there, establishment of the entrepreneurship development. So in the participatory, this is from the internal evaluation part. This intention is to involve many people with a direct stake as per your work, and this may project staffs, this your subordinates, this may your surroundings, whatever the person should be. By which you can get down whatever self-evaluation and participative evaluation should be correlated. If there should be a gap, or we can say a deep gap, a big gap, then the point should be evaluated, re-evaluated, re-evaluated. Then, in the participative evaluation, there is two things. First is general, the second is rapid. On the spot, we just go in our subordinate, our workers, our team members, we just sit down, or okay, and question answer round is to be come down. Now this thing is to be there, what we feel, what we feel, what we feel. Now the immediate answer will be carried out, we will be recorded the things. A general, we will develop a questionnaire, either we will just planned way, we will do this type of thing, then we will go to the team, and then we have to ask the thing, then we have to formulate the thing. So there should be some clear-cut idea, may be possible, not come down. चाय हमने अभी पी, तुरंत कोई हमसे पूछे कैसी है चाय, तो शायद हमारा जवाब अलग होगा, और 2 दिन के बाद हमसे पूछेंगे तो शायद उसका जवाब हमारा अलग होगा. Same thing. So whatever the evaluation part for the small scale business management, because this is a small unit was there. For the entrepreneur, this is the prime consideration to be there. In entrepreneur has not very much amount is to be there. So each and every step, whatever he has considered, should be well marked is to be there. Then, so rapid we have to learn. Then we have to take the external evaluation. External evaluation. External evaluation in the means of CA, ICWA, or some financial advisor is to be there. Some marketing consultant can be come down from by which we can get down our real position is to be there. What is the problem is to be there. Then, for interactive evaluation. This involve is a very active interaction between an outside evaluator or evaluation team and the organization or project handling evaluated. Same thing. कुछ समय पहले I just forget the name is to be the movies too. I think one movie can come down और उसमें जो एंटरप्रेन्योर था उसने एक कार बनाई थी. कार को उसने खुद बनाया था और खुद टेस्ट किया था और पूरा लेआउट वगैरह ईच एंड एवरीथिंग इज टू बी स्टेबलाइज. देन ही वांट टू सेल दैट टेक्नोलॉजी टू सम अदर कंपनी. व्हेन ही गिवन द प्रपोजल टू दैट कंपनी, the company is constituted because there is a quality control team was there. They just evaluate the project and they told this is not viable, this car will not run as per the standard of our company. Now that boy who is a new entrepreneur, he wants to sell out this technologies to be there. He wants the drawbacks in that. He go to the company, ask the team, but team is not giving any type of problem. So he has taken the time of the CMD. Meet the CMD. CMD, very generous person is to be there. He is the old age. He called their team members and asked, he tell me what is the difficulty point is to be there, because this is a young chap and for his career development this is the necessary thing is to be there. We should guide him by which within 1 year or 2 years of time he can come down with some new updated version of this product. Now whatever the product management team was there, they have been criticizing each and every point is to be there. Then he told, that entrepreneur told, sir, have you physically checked my project? He used physically check. They told, no, we are using on the CAD or whatever the computerization system is doing, whatever the draft you have to send it, whatever the blueprint you have to send it, we will discuss accordingly. Sir, maybe possible whatever your knowledge is to be there, I am not criticizing the things, but now the technology is changed, maybe possible certain thing is not as per the practical basis can be now show down here. Come down and check down. Whatever I am claiming, if you will not accept that the things, it's fine. CMD liked this approach to be. He told the boy that come down with your car with that particular model, our activity team will be come down and they will check down. After when they have to check down, they have to just check each and everything, whatever that voice is to be, it's 100% true. He is claiming 100% right and more than that is to be there. The speed, the gear, the system, the Excel, each and everything. So in this interactive action, whatever the thing is to be, we have to monitor our capabilities also, our team capabilities, sir, not our, sir. So our team capability and external evaluator. Say those sit down or then they will discuss now this is the evaluation process and your company is showing the right advantages to be there. Now for the business institution is to be there, what is the advantage of this small business evaluation is to be there? Because if you have to evaluate, what advantage we should get down? Because if you have to come down, certain with this evaluation part, an entrepreneur can get down what he is and how he has to proceed. Number one. Second, he is developing that type of product or services which outsider or external bodies demand, or they have to provide, the need is to be there. Second, then the management tools development has got down a clear-cut idea and establishment is to be there. Otherwise, they cannot survive in this particular system is to be there. Then they have to, any criticism, any findings toward the positivity is to be there. He has to get down the enthusiasm by which field is to be there. So, as a management background person of yours, use whatever the business and entrepreneur started, clear-cut idea of evaluation process should be carried out. Maybe possible there are a lot of statistical tool can be applied, but whenever we are discussing any statistical models and statistical values is to be there, the participative approach is to be there, the natural things is to be there, then we can say down, we can be carried out, really a transformation part is to be there. Now I am just concluding the process is to be there, because in which we have to look after whatever the small business is the simply livelihood of an entrepreneur. So for the entrepreneur point of view, this is the essential part to stabilizing any type of businesses to be there. So we have to judge down how we have to judge down the small business performance assessment. The major thing is why we have to check down this performance assessment. So by the means of performance assessment, we have to improve our performance, planning and forecasting, compete, reward, and comply with regulation and standard. These are basically the 6 fundamental principles to be there for which we need performance. Once again, improve the quality, planning and forecasting of our project regulation, compete from the market, then reward system, then comply with regulations and stabilization of the standards to be there. Because the performance assessment system, it is a set of strategic objectives and performance indicators that apply across the organization. It allows executives see the result generated by the units combined to influence the overall result of the company. Because performance assessment is not an assessment of yours, it is the assessment of entire company which you have set down as an entrepreneur. So, see, there are different areas was there, in which area we have to performance assessment can be take care. If that is the area of finance, maybe, because financial area determines what objectives have shareholders or owners of the business, balancing risk, growth profits with focus on the vision and strategy. So in the performance assessment, we have to look after financial parts to be there. Then client. Client means consumers, client means associates, client means business owners, whatever. For customer areas is the key to reach them through segmentation, translating it into the target market and customers. The value propositions we present customers will determine satisfaction and loyalty. If we get down satisfaction and loyalty, we can say that we are going toward the side of that. Then performance assessment, we can check down the process and operations. Process and operations. Once we know the customer wants, then the company must translate the internal process in order to meet client expectation. This is basically the process and then the part of the operations to be there. And just superficial level is to be there because we are just discussing what is the role, what is the mode of performance assessment in taking of the small businesses to be there. Then human resource and their capabilities. technologies grows, the human resources of the business must identify the infrastructure that the organization must build to grow and improve on a long-term plan. Here, long-term plan. Because your organization is not for today, it's for future also. Later on you will, initially you may be here, later on you will be like that, later on you will be like that student. So you have to take it. So you have to motivate the human resources, building the capacities of the information systems and providing power to employees to solve by themselves and difficulties for everyday operations student. Now, Sumit, how we have to tackle these things together? Because for the financial measurement, for the financial task, for the HR measurement, you have to look after, there certain things can be carried out. But whatever the mode of their performance assessment is to be there, whatever the system in every institutions, in every climate is to be there, these are the basic parameters to be there in which you need the assessment values to be there. So now we are taking which assessment we have to take care. Maybe possibly some assessment needs to be there on HR basis, some assessment may be on the basis of financial adjustment, some assessment may be cleared down on the basis of marketing and their operational activities to be there. So first assessment we have to take care, that is management by objectives. Management by objectives. Generally it is known as MBO. So management by objectives is the appraisal system method where managers and employees together identify plans, organize and communication objectives to focus on during a specific appraised period is to be there. In that period we have to check down whatever the things can be come down. So management, basically management by objective is basically a flow chart where the manager is like that. Then we have to check down whatever plan, monitor and then review process. In every system is to be take care. A manager is there, employee is here, and from getting each and every information we get, whatever our planning is to be there, whatever our monitoring, we have to check down our quality systems, we have to check down our resource systems, other feedbacks process can be carried out, we have to check in planning process, we can just check down whatever our objective is to be there, how we have to implement our mission and what is the major complete side on the basis of vision is to be there. Then in the review we have to collect the complete result of our system, then take up. So in the review we have to take up the side of the employees also, because whatever the good side was there, and we take up it completely from the manager side also, whatever the review. And if anything is a positive or negative, we just go through that line. So in the management by objectives, we have set down whatever the top management, if I am entrepreneur, I am establishing the unit, so whether I am accomplishing, whether I am achieving the real task of management or not, we should be checked down. So first we have to just check down our assessment by the means of the management by objectives. The second, basically, before going to the setting, you just tell me where it is ideal for. MBO, where it is to be reduce it. For measuring quantitative and qualitative output of senior management, like manager, director is the company is to be in a long perspective. This is a big science to be there. So we have to. Now the second thing is, 360 degree. Here you may be confused to be there. In third, this is the HR part. Yeah, definitely, because degree feedback. Because if I am running my own business to be there, like either performance assessment can be carried out, some employees are already involved, some outsources are also involved, so we have to take a complete system foolproof should be. We have to take the feedback from all the resources, whatever the product. Here I am just adding one thing to here. 360 means our consumers, our retailer, our associates, our employees, each and everything should give down a complete feedback. By the means of that feedback, we have stabilized the clear-cut admirers to be there. Because this is 360 degree is administered on the basis of self-appraisal, then management reviews, peer reviews, so and it also deals with the subordinates appraising, then customers or clients, So we have to monitor each and everything in such a way by which we can get down to where we are, what we are, and why we are. If I have started with very good vision is to be there, and we just identified the thing, if we take up this type of feedback, then we come down from the market, from the retailer, with the associates, we have taken the management devices, then definitely we will get on the success to be. Because if we are diversification is to be there, ultimate we have to reach down our line of tracks. The main thing is up. Then the third method we can take up by the means of assessment centers method. So, assessment center method. This is basically all our things is the tools, techniques, whatever. The concept of polished way is come down in the means of assessment centers to be. The assessment center method enables employees to get a clear picture of how others are doing the things. If I am thinking, I am giving the third party manufacturing suite, and then we will check down research just to check how we are performing, how the things can be carried out. And we have taken up some outside noticeable forms to be there. Generally, this form can be carried out in the terms of human resource planning, human resource management process to be there. But in certain institutions, this build things also used in the terms of operations management. Like if you have to come down, like FMCG product, like food product, this thing is to be used in that particular segment was there. In this we have to take, because the taste is to be top priority, so we have to check down. In this a typical assessment formation, there is a 3-stage can be carried out. First is pre-assessment, what we are, pre-assessment, then during assessment, and then we have to the post-assessment. इसको ऐसे समझ लीजिए, किसी दिन आपकी क्लास हो रही है और मैंने बता दिया मैं आज आपका टेस्ट लूंगा। अब क्या करेंगे आप सब तैयार होकर के आएंगे, बिकॉज आई ऑलरेडी गिवन डाउन द टेस्ट, आपको नोटिस मैंने पहले से दी। दिस द प्री टेस्ट, ठीक। बट इफ I am not giving you any type of indications to be there, we are taking the test and we have just giving at the time of the classes to be there. Then things will be totally different to be there. The result will be totally different. So in the assessment center, we are taking the 2 phases to be there, pre and post logic is to be. And then after the post logic, we can just cut down the cumulative result is to be there. कि हमने आपको बताया तो ये रिजल्ट आया, हमने आपको नहीं बताया तो ये रिजल्ट आया. So in the assessment center, we have to choose up both the languages to be there. Because the main thing, if others are seeing, then we are doing, this is not problem. We should do whatever the job, whatever the responsibility, whatever the accountability, whatever the accomplishment is to be. So everything, each and everything in the performance assessment formation is to be there, because we are establishing our unit as a small entrepreneur. If the thanks. So now, fourth part. In the fourth, we are using very small things to be there. Just like we have the behaviorally anchored scale. Behaviorally anchored scale measures. So behaviorally is anchored rating scales. Completely known as bars. Behaviorally anchored rating scales. In this, we have just checked down how we have performance others to be. This is basically the assessment center was there, assessment values used to be there, in which we have to take here. In this bars, we have to take the generation was there. Then critical indicators and in-depth typical values can be carried out at the workplace environment is to be there. In this workplace system, in the workplace environment, we just check down where we are, how we have to clear down the things. So in that behavioral improvement, because after each and every process to be there, if we are working in this condition, whatever the result is to be given, if you have taken some good condition can be come down, definitely what the result can be conceptualized to be there. So in this, we have to just acknowledge. Then, on the basis of industrial psychological appraisal can be carried out. Industrial psychological test can be, appraisal can be carried out. Industrial, this is generally we can say of psychological appraisal measures or industrial psychological measures, because a small business in already started in some specific zone is to be there. Some demographic factors can be carried out at the starting values is to be. Then some family person is to be there, some family background can be carried out, some statistical measurement has been already taken care in the system administration is to be there. So in this psychological appraisal, now what we feel as an entrepreneur, so we have to check down our values of thinking, our themes of vision, our clarity by a certified psychologist. Now we are at the starting point of view, we are here, then after here, maybe this our vision is to be here. But when a clear psychologist was there, he will check my attitude toward the side of the development, because अगर हमारा सोच अच्छी होगी, हमारी सोच ग्रोइंग लेने वाली होगी, तो हम और आगे जाने की कोशिश करेंगे. So in the terms of entrepreneurship management, in the terms of assessment, we should check down ourselves also, because it's real cut idea whether we have the capacity or not. And finally, we have take up human resource accounting method. This is for HR person is to be there. If you got a task in such a way, till that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What are the 5 measures I told you? It is basically the small business performance estimate. This is human resource, cost accounting method. Cost accounting method, because ultimate you have established the unit. Now you are establishing the performance assessment of your company is to be there. So you just check down whether whatever the people is to be involved in your company, they are at the right place, at the right position, with the right remuneration or not. If you are providing each and everything in such a manual by which other can clearly understand that you are really going success. If your earning is good, fine. You are doing the business well, product accessibility well, companies known by the others to be there, then okay. You are using whatever the rules and regulation from the government. It's okay, very fine is to be there. You are ready to take already growth phase, and you are now from the diversification business can be come down. In the diversification, so that means you whatever the human resources involved with you, associated with you, or guiding to you, they are well formed to be there. But this rating should be take care properly, because total business is depend on your handle. So whenever we are discussing anything regarding the performance assessment, regarding the performance values, we should take care each and every aspect, like whatever we are discussing, how we have to discuss the things. So we have to check each and everything, like our financing values. We have already told you, because whatever the measures is to be there, finance, then we can say client, then we discuss about process and operations, then we have checked down our human resources. This is to be clear-cut establishment is to be there, because performance assessment is a clear-cut arena of your achievement and success in the field of entrepreneurship development. Now this is the closing ceremony here. Now this is the part of performance assessment.